Alright guys, I just want to show you a quick tip. If you got a ball that loses air over a couple days, here's what you do. So first thing is you'll pump it up. Alright, so that looks pretty good, right? So before you pump it out or you pull that out, you simply get a nail, one of these little finishing nails, and as soon as you pull it out, you plug it, and that's it. And then whenever it depletes air, or if you want to pump it up a little bit more, you can just get some pliers or even your fingernails. You just pull it out. And you can add more air. But this will hold air for you. So there you go. Thanks for watching.